They've got a portfolio of more than 500 partnerships with European design houses, exclusive tie-ups with international brands and stuff like that. And actually, the latest work is all about creativity, which is going to be redefining luxury. So I'm so looking forward to this. So if you can dump the negative and the unhealthy and the toxic shown to you on TV or YouTube and stuff, and you can actually go in for the real experiences of stepping into a zone which is going to boost up your creativity, your outlook, and stuff like that. You're going to feel amazing, and definitely that's less noise of the world and stuff and all that. Okay, so when you go into a brand like this, which is located at the metro station next to Sultanpur, you will see a 500 square feet space, which is going to be one of a kind of an experience because it's got all these international opulent designs and worldwide creativity to show. So India is nowhere behind. So the ultimate point is that the collaboration of these guys with Sources Unlimited ensures that India is going to be a luxury connoisseur that gives direct access to the world class creations, and each of them is going to be spelling tradition and innovation and stuff like that. And if you are kind of design conscious, if you're international, an international traveler and stuff like that, you don't have to go abroad all the time. You can actually enjoy those designs and that creativity in India. So the store looks good on the whole. It's got this. It's got a contemporary look and a feel to it and stuff, and the lighting, everything looks good. So you could Google it, you could research it, and I think that they're going to do really well and stuff. And the point is this, that looking at the pictures of the founders and the people behind it and stuff, it's easy to say that they're going to be redefining luxury of France in an Indian market and stuff. Okay, so wishing everybody from their team all the very best and stuff. So follow this article that they have on the Sunday page. It's nice. It's got a lot of interesting reads also on trends of watches and fashion and clothes, and of course dances and culture and the amazing weather in Delhi. So my advice is avoid following all this negative and toxic stuff on TV and YouTube, because at the end of the day and in the start of the day and stuff, all that is not going to come handy when it's about your work, when it's about giving direction to your own brand, when it's actually about taking the leap of faith about creativity and innovation and stuff. All this information that you follow, which is low quality and toxic and abusive and unhealthy and stuff, is actually going to be giving you this dark zone in your space and stuff like that. And I'm a live example. I mean, I've had issues because of following those, and I've advised not to follow those. So to keep your creativity up, to keep your positivity and your sunshine side up and stuff, always a good idea to watch quality and stuff like that, and follow trends, because when you get into a discussion or you get into a environment, you start talking about all of that, and what is your life and what is your journey all about. It's not about unparliamentary nonsense and abuses and stuff like that, right? It's about also having good experiences. It's about enjoying the journey, the destinations, the experiences, the fashion trends, the celebrations, the good time, the nature around us, the infrastructure around us, the quality of life around us, and stuff like that. So when your mindset is good, everything is going to be good. So try and spend your time and energy following this. Like I said, it's on page one of the Daily Times and stuff. It's a great article, some really interesting ads also to follow and stuff like that. And if you want to improve and you want to learn more, you don't have to waste your time and energy on useless stuff. Rather, be responsible and be mindful about what you read and stuff, because when you travel or you meet worldwide people and stuff, it's always a good idea to learn and improvise and stuff. You may be an expert in one field, but if you have 10 different topics that you read and you follow and stuff, you're going to become an expert. So why do we follow all these international global people who've launched brands and stuff like that? It's because they've left a mark on us. And how did they do this? They did this by not sitting on their tables and following just TV and radio and stuff. They also researched, they also learned a lot, they also unlearned and learned stuff, and they started improvising on their mindsets and stuff. So hope this helps. So love and luck, and take care, have fun, have a blast. And my coffee just got over. So here's a cup. This says you're stronger and smarter than you think. So, be watchful about the stuff that you learn and stuff that you absorb, because, like I've already shared it, when you're stepping out and you're exchanging information and stuff like that, it helps. And when you get into a lifestyle store, when you get into a restaurant, when you get into a hotel, when you get into a nice space which has got fashion or which has got glass works or art and stuff like that, you automatically start feeling good and stuff. So love and luck and take care. Have fun. Have a blast. I'm Justine Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design. I'm on jkapani@gmail.com, justinekapani.im@gmail.com, and Justine Kapani office@gmail.com. Thank you so much for your likes. Thank you so much for watching all my videos and stuff like that. I had no clue you would do that. Thank you for writing in and stuff. I'm much better, as you can see. Every day is a different day, but thank you so much for also praying for me, and wishing everybody a great weekend ahead and stuff. And do take care of your personal spaces, clean up, and if you've done that already on a Saturday, you're going to be enjoying your Sunday. If you've not done that and it's a weekend that's starting, my only advice and my professional tip is start cleaning the previous night, and spend maybe an extra hour or half an hour. When you do that on the weekend, the whole week goes really nice and positive and stuff, and you have energy, and you have so much other stuff to do which you can take off when you're not focusing only on cleanliness and safai and pocha and jhadu and all that shit. Okay, sorry, I call it shit, because to me what makes sense is to kind of spend your energy and time mostly on better stuff than just taking care of your houses and stuff like that, because I don't think girls or men in 2025 are meant to do that alone. They're meant for bigger stuff and all that. Okay, so love it, luck and take care and have fun and have a blast. The article is on page 1, Sunday time, so go ahead and enjoy, and kick it, rock it, keep it going, enjoy, and Hakuna Matata. Love and luck. I'm Justine Kapani, and see, nature feels so good. I mean, take a look. This is all natural stuff, and we just changed these. So you try and work on nature as well, include nature. I see a lot of brands, since it's a brand special, they don't really have too much of nature. I guess maintenance is an issue and stuff, but the point is, if you can include nature, then your whole outlook and your whole attitude towards life and daily life becomes a lot better, because nature also grounds you. And I've already shared this 100 times probably, that when you have nature around you and stuff, you start noticing nature and you start working that way and stuff. So let me show you something. This is something recent. So this is something which I've done personally in one of my personal spaces. So somebody asked me if this was hand painted and if this was art. It's not. It's actually a wallpaper. I'd chosen it, and it took us about an hour or so. So you can get into these kind of classy and sophisticated looks and stuff like that. And I've already given you a tip: when you do up a showroom, when you do up your house, when you do up your room, when you do up a space or something like that, always ask yourself a question: are you going to be looking at this stuff for more than 2 years, 3 years, 5 years? Is it going to be taking time to maintain it? What about the cleanliness and stuff like that? Once you've nailed all of that from your previous experiences, you can always improvise on the present designs that you have, and you're looking at doing and stuff. So always remember that the challenges you've had in maintaining something actually teaches you in a positive light what you can avoid doing the next time. So put your head down and think about stuff before you start creating and designing and stuff, and from that experience maybe other people can also kind of benefit. So signing out, and take care and have fun, have a blast. Bye bye.